It's not a single portion of the brain that allows you to read. It starts in the occipital lobe, which is helps you visualize things. So when you see the words on the page, then the information moves to the front gyrus Barock's area, and it moves again over to the word box area, or the left occipital temporal cortex. And then it moves to the parietal cortex, where phonological awareness is stored. Basically, our brains are not wired to read. When we're born, our brain is wired for speech and sound and language. Reading is a learned skill, and it's pathways in the brain that allow the words to go from one area to another so that we can see text and read words on a page. It's a spoken brain, so it has to be retrained to visualize the words and be able to connect speech, the symbols, phonics, graphemes, everything together. All those pathways work together in the brain to allow us to read. What they call the word box area is actually initially, when we're born, it's used to recognize faces, not letters. I saw where that's part of why a lot of children write their words backwards, is because your brain originally uses that part of it, what they call the word box, to recognize faces. So you see a face looking this way, and then you see my face that way. That portion of the brain lets you know that it's the same face you're looking at. That's why we have to retrain children to write their letters facing the proper direction. Everything originally, this is a face, this is the same face. Then we look at the letters B, D, P, and Q, and you turn one this way, it's a B. You turn it around, now it's a D. So the brain, all areas, or at least 5 of them, work together when you're learning to read. And it's the connections between the areas that make it possible. Part of dyslexia research shows that those connections may not be as strong originally, but with proper instruction, it can be overcome. Thank you.